What's good, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV Market with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So yesterday I brought a video here of Dave Umahi at the May 1st Workers' Day. Yes, as Minister of Works, he talked about the super highway from Calabar, the ultra super highway from Lagos to Calabar, about 700 kilometers highway that is said to cost over 11 trillion. 11 trillion. And yeah, that yesterday he made a very I would like to say tribalism comment about the Labour Party presidential candidate and the convener of the obedience. I'm talking about no other person but H.E. Peter Obi. He said that what Peter Obi is doing is turning the Igbos, the people from the southeast, against the current administration. And yes, H.E. Peter Obi responded immediately to that claim. Yes, we know Peter Obi can never be someone who will just be playing politics for the sake of Nigeria. At least we have been seeing the good work he's doing all over Nigeria. If truly the politics, the way he claimed that his politics is trying to turn the Igbo against the current government, then the question is, if this person is trying to turn the Igbos against the current government, why is he working tirelessly to ensure that not just the southeast but every other part of Nigeria is fully touched? We could see he just finished his Ramadan tour. He did a lot. He's been doing a lot. He's been doing a lot both in the south, the southeast, the northern part of Nigeria. There is nowhere in Nigeria that Peter Obi hasn't touched when it comes to his works around. Well, Peter Obi responded, and I just want to read that here straight up to you guys. His response to this particular, I would like to say, allegation or a political talk from the Minister of Works. We all know that all of them, the best way to actually stay relevant nowadays is attack Peter Obi, and yes, you'll be carried over the news, and yes, you will earn small fame for yourself at that period. Yes, that is what they do nowadays. This is not about being rich, it's about being famous in the political aspect. To send your message far, you have to use the name Peter Obi. I just feel that is what they are doing. But well, H.E. Peter Obi responded, and let's just read what he said here to you guys. Clear and a bold statement on his Twitter page this morning around 7:38 a.m. this morning. He said, "It has come to my attention and I strongly denounce the distortion of facts surrounding my actions and statements during my tenure as governor of Anambra State, particularly the construction of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Superhighway. I aim to address this issue directly, devoid of political rhetoric to ensure clarity for all. Let me be unequivocal. During my governorship, I made it abundantly clear that all structures obstructing existing roads and lacking approval would be removed. The circulated video clearly stated this, and I only initiated removal when construction had already commenced. Any insinuation otherwise is a blatant misrepresentation of the truth. I challenge anyone to verify and show me where the demolished structures on existing roads or ongoing businesses were not encroaching on the road and built without government approval while I serve as governor. To provide further clarity, consider the concrete example. I decisively demolished the Onitsha North local government headquarters, situated on the only existing stadium, relocated and built a brand new structure for the local government office away from the stadium. The action was necessary to restore the stadium to its original purpose as a sporting facility for the people. Subsequently, the stadium was rightfully named after the first owner of the first football club figure in Nigeria, Sports, Chuba Ikpeazu. As a tribute to our commitment to honoring our heroes, similarly, to Ahilo. Similarly, the Onitsha South Stadium, the sole local playing ground for the community, was converted into a local government office, recognizing the importance of recreational space. I reverted it into the original status by demolishing and relocating the local government office. I renovated the stadium and renamed it after the longest serving Green Eagle captain, Godwin Achebe. My actions were strategic, aiming to prioritize the repair and maintenance of existing infrastructure over projects that risk disruption and destruction. This approach aimed to safeguard the livelihood of Nigerians and ensure the efficient use of resources. It is crucial to clarify the false comparison drawn between my actions on Brewery Road and the current coastal super highway project. I never proposed creating a new road that would disrupt existing structures. Instead, I focus on removing obstruction on existing roads to enhance accessibility and safety for all the ongoing destruction and disruption of jobs and livelihood associated with the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. Coastal road construction sharply contrasts with my administration efforts to improve infrastructure while minimizing diverse impact on communities. Regarding allegation of incitement against the government, I firmly reject this unfounded aim as tarnishing my character. My focus is on fostering constructive dialogue and inclusivity rather than engaging in decisive politics. Claims of incitement are baseless distractions. I have always advocated for unity and advancement. Refusing to partake in reactionary divisive politics, I refuse to be reduced to the level of those who wallow in ethnic politics. Worse still, I have never and can never descend so low as to base my political aspiration on any sectional or ethnic interests. My commitment to serving with integrity remains steadfast, and I encourage all Nigerians to unite for a prosperous future. In conclusion, I stand by my record as governor and reject any attempt to distort the narrative for political gain. My commitment remains unwavering to advocate for the rights and well-being of all Nigerians, ensuring that development initiatives prioritize the needs of the people. Most importantly, I will continue to insist that our national resources be applied with maximum frugality. Peter Obi. You guys heard that from Peter Obi already. His Baba don't clear the air sharply. You know, be such a way person will come say this is what HE said. He has actually cleared the air, and yes, that is how it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, I would really love you guys to drop your comments below. Let's talk about this in the comment section.